Imagine coming home after a long day, only to find water spreading across your kitchen floor, soaking into the cabinets and pooling around your feet. It's a homeowner's nightmare, unexpected, overwhelming, and urgent. Panic sets in, but your first move is crucial. Every second counts when water is pouring into your home, threatening your belongings and the structure itself. Don't panic. Find and shut off your main water valve immediately. This stops the flow and limits the damage, giving you a chance to catch your breath and assess the situation. If you don't know where your shutoff valve is, locate it now, before an emergency strikes. It's often near where the main water line enters your home, in a utility room, basement, or even outside. Once the water is off, resist the urge to fix things yourself. Plumbing is complex, and mistakes can make things worse, leading to more costly repairs and even greater water damage. Now's the time to call a professional who understands San Antonio's unique plumbing challenges, from hard water to shifting soil and older pipes. A local expert can respond quickly, diagnose the issue, and fix it right the first time, saving you time, money, and stress. Don't let a burst pipe ruin your home or your peace of mind. Water damage can spread fast, so acting quickly is essential. If you've shut off the water, your next step is to call for immediate help. Don't wait. Every minute matters when it comes to water emergencies. Protect your home. Call now. +1 888 862 0246. That's +1 888 862 0246. Save this number for emergencies. Fast action is your best defense against water damage. Be prepared, stay calm, and know who to call when water is everywhere. Think a small leak can wait? Think again. Water seeps into floors, walls, and wood, causing hidden damage and creating a perfect environment for mold. Even a minor drip can waste hundreds of gallons a month, driving up your water bill. Delay turns a simple repair into a major renovation. Rotting wood, crumbling drywall, and ruined insulation. The longer you wait, the more expensive and disruptive the fix becomes. Mold and structural damage threaten your family's health and your home's safety. Ignoring a leak means paying for wasted water and costly repairs. Time is not on your side. Act fast to avoid disaster. Protect your investment and your health. Don't gamble with your home. Fix leaks right away. A small problem today is always cheaper than a disaster tomorrow. Make it right away. In a plumbing emergency, don't risk a handyman or a DIY fix. A licensed San Antonio plumber has the training, tools, and local knowledge to solve your problem safely and efficiently. They know our city's hard water, aging pipes, and unique homes. Local plumbers rely on their reputation, so they're motivated to do the job right. Insurance matters too. A licensed, insured plumber protects you from accidental damage or injury on your property. Hiring an unlicensed worker is a financial risk you can't afford. Choose a professional who's accountable and prepared. It's not just about fixing a leak, it's about protecting your biggest investment. Don't gamble with your home or wallet. Make the right choice. Call a local, licensed, insured plumber at +1 888 862 0246. Plumbing disasters don't wait for business hours, and neither should you. When a pipe bursts or a leak springs in the middle of the night, it can feel overwhelming and stressful. But in San Antonio, help is always just a phone call away, no matter the hour. When you call a 24/7 emergency plumber, a real person answers. No voicemail, no waiting. You'll speak directly with a trained dispatcher who understands the urgency of your situation and is ready to help right away. They'll guide you through immediate steps, like shutting off your water to prevent further damage, and will dispatch a nearby plumber to your location without delay. These first actions can make a big difference in protecting your home. San Antonio's emergency plumbers are strategically located throughout the city for fast response, day or night. No matter where you live, there's always a professional ready to help nearby. The plumber arrives with a fully stocked truck, equipped with all the tools and parts needed to handle most emergencies on the spot, saving you precious time. They quickly assess the situation, explain the issue in clear terms, and get to work, fixing the problem safely and efficiently so you can get back to normal as soon as possible. The goal is simple: stop the crisis, secure your home, and clean up the mess. They'll even help with water removal and drying to prevent further damage. From your first call to the final repair, the process is designed to be fast, professional, and stress-free, giving you peace of mind during a difficult time. Don't wait, call for help the moment you spot a problem. Acting quickly can save you money and prevent bigger headaches down the road. For immediate service, 1-888-862-0246. Your emergency is their priority, anytime, day or night. Worried about the cost of emergency plumbing? Consider the real price of waiting. Acting fast means a simple repair and minimal damage. Waiting lets water spread, ruining cabinets, floors and walls, and possibly causing mold. The longer you delay, the higher the repair bill climbs. Emergency service may seem expensive, but it's far cheaper than a full renovation. Quick action saves money, time, and stress. Delays mean living in a construction zone and risking your health. Your peace of mind is priceless. Protect your home and wallet. Don't let a small leak become a big disaster. The right choice is clear. Act now and call +1-888-862-0246. Call for help before the damage multiplies. Real stories show why speed matters, especially when it comes to plumbing emergencies. Every second counts when water is pouring into your home or business, threatening to cause expensive and lasting damage. In Alamo Ranch, a family woke to a burst pipe, water gushing from the ceiling and soaking their floors before sunrise. Thinking quickly, they shut off the main water valve and called for help immediately, not wasting a single minute. The plumber arrived within an hour, fixed the pipe, and limited the damage to just a small area, saving the family thousands in repairs and days of stress. If they'd waited, water would have ruined their hardwood floors, ceilings, and furniture, leading to a much bigger disaster and a longer recovery. In the Pearl District, a restaurant owner spotted a kitchen drain backup late at night, just as he was closing up. He called an emergency plumber, who arrived quickly and cleared the clog before morning, avoiding lost revenue, health code violations, and a potential shutdown. Fast action kept his business running, his staff working, and his costs low, all thanks to a quick response. Whether at home or at work, immediate help from a professional plumber makes all the difference in preventing disaster. Don't wait for disaster to spread. Every minute you hesitate, the damage gets worse. If you're facing a plumbing emergency, call now, 1-888-862-0246. Fast help is just a phone call away. Quick response is your best defense against costly repairs and unnecessary stress. Act fast and protect what matters most. In a plumbing emergency, every minute counts. Your first move, stay calm and shut off the main water supply. Don't risk DIY repairs or wait for the problem to fix itself. Water damage only gets worse. Call a licensed local professional with the right tools and expertise. Protect your home, your health, and your wallet. Fast, expert help restores safety and peace of mind. Don't let a leak take control of your life. Act now to minimize damage and stress. For immediate emergency plumbing service in San Antonio, make the right call. Call us now at +1-888-862-0246.